Hi there, what's going on? So today we are going to see how to delete duplicated images on a Windows computer. So suppose you have multiple folders with images and subfolders with other images, and you want to delete the duplicated ones. So today I'm going to show you how to do this. So first let's download this tiny program called VisiPics. So you have to download this program from not this website but this website, visipics.info. So click on this and click on the left here on download, then click on this link here and click here on Windows installer. So it's a tiny program, just 2 megabytes. So after downloading this program, we have to install it. It's fast, just right click, run as administrator, next, accept, and it will be installed. So now after installing the program, let's see. So before starting, let's see what we have here. We have 3 folders, A, B, and C, and they have some images. You can see that some of them are duplicates. Like, let's see some examples. Here we have the bike. Also we have other duplicates. In this subfolder we have also this sandwich, it is duplicated. So to remove these duplicated images, just run this program which we have downloaded and installed, and select the folders that you want to add here and add them with this arrow with the plus. Click on start, and here we have the duplicated images on the left. So just select auto detect and the program will automatically select the images and click on delete. So now if we return to our folders, we see that there are no duplicates. So the task was successfully done with this program. Thank you for watching.